Hi guys! Welcome back! Welcome back sa aming YouTube channel. Welcome back sa aming Canada Vlogs. This is our YouTube channel where we share our everyday experiences of living in Canada along with valuable information and updates from RRCC. For those of you who are newly here, my name is Ate Mabel. Our channel is dedicated to helping newcomers and job seekers in Canada, providing insights into the country's diverse culture and lifestyle, which is Canada. So welcome back, and don't forget to like and subscribe po. Moreover, we strive to keep you updated with the latest news and changes in the immigration laws and policies from IRCC. Alam mo, ang daming changes like sa mga temporary foreign workers, sa mga student, sa mga tourist visa. So, the Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship of Canada, this includes guidance on work permits, permanent residency, and other immigration-related updates. So, kaya, i-share ko sa inyong lahat kung ano man po ang makita kung available na pwede niyong applyan papunta sa Canada. Right, ito pag-uusapan natin sa aking video now is about new healthcare careers in other province naman po sa Canada. So, we also features videos about various healthcare careers in Canada. Like nung nasabi ko last time yung about sa New Brunswick, this time pag-uusapan natin about Manitoba naman. So, providing a glimpse into the extensive job opportunities in this field, our YouTube channel goal is to help you navigate through the process of settling in Canada and achieving your career aspirations. So, sana guys, magiging part ako sa inyong journey to become a permanent resident dito sa Canada, and also, kamtan nyo ang jobs na gusto nyo dito sa Canada. So, whether you are someone who is planning to move to this beautiful country, or a current resident looking for a job or healthcare career, our YouTube channel has something for you, for everyone. So, stay tuned for our informative and engaging videos, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss an update sa aming YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching and welcome! Welcome to our Canada Vlogs. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And pag-usapan na po natin ang bagong opportunity dito sa Manitoba naman po. Pagkatapos ko po na i-vlog about New Brunswick, this time sa Manitoba, marami kayong options na pwede yung applyan. And isa-isahin po natin kung saan kayo pwede makahanap ng trabaho para sa inyo. Pwede po ito sa mga in Canada or outside Canada na meron kayong mga experiences and you are a healthcare provider careers. Nasa healthcare provider careers po kayo. So, welcome! Pag-usapan po natin ang good news sa Manitoba province in Canada. Manitoba is hiring for healthcare career. Yes, there are new posting in Manitoba Healthcare Job Board. So, you may visit healthcare careers across Manitoba. So, yeah guys, so there are a numbers of organizations that employs healthcare providers across Manitoba. Yan po another good news sa inyong lahat. So please select the region you are interested in working in from the list below to see available jobs openings. These are the following employment na pwede niyong pagpilian. So, find employment opportunities from the across Winnipeg Health Regional Health Authority, Shared Health, Cancer Care Manitoba, and Southern Health Santé SUD. So, more employers will be added over time for immediate job opportunities in Interlake Eastern Regional Health Authority, Prairie Mountain Health, and the Northern Health Region. So, you may visit some of the different paths below to be directed to the regional healthcare job boards. So, for example po, yung clinical jobs, kasi ang clinical teams delivered a broad spectrum of service for patients, clients, and residents. There are positions available for you like for example, administrative secretary, home care attendant, resident assistant, and executive assistant. Yan lang po isa sa mga example na pwede nyong hanapin na trabaho dun sa clinical jobs. So another one is clinical support jobs. Clinical support workers are vital members, extended care teams, individuals in these diverse roles work collaboratively with the clinical staff to shape the experience of our patients, clients, and residents. So you can view in my screen the available open jobs for you to apply. So another category is non-clinical jobs. Ito naman po yung mga administrative, non-clinical worker support, the delivery of equality healthcare across Manitoba in a variety of ways, often unseen by the patient, clients, and residents, by essential to day-to-day operation of the health system. For example po yung mga nurses too, emergency, admissions clerk, unit clerk, and again, you can also view here in my screen the available job for you, or you can choose from. Another way po is you can also search below for the current opportunities for nurses, allied health professionals, workers, physiologists, and more. Apply today and learn more about working and living in Manitoba at manitobahiring.ca. Additionally, this health region has more career opportunities for you to apply. One of this is the Interlake Eastern Regional Health Authority. So you may please visit their websites at Interlake Eastern Regional Health Authority or IERHE.ca. So pag-usapan po natin ang mga opportunities and programs and services nila. Interlake Eastern Regional Health Authority offers exciting and meaningful careers in healthcare. They also offered careers for internationally educated nurses. So, kagaya po na nasabi ko doon sa New Brunswick, sa Manitoba din po, they offers for IENs nurses po. So, if you are currently located in Manitoba, if you are an international educated nurses seeking information on opportunities in Manitoba, this is your chance. The Manitoba government supports internationally educated nurses, or what we call IENs po. So with a streamlined pathway and financial support to help IENs who are already in Manitoba to begin working as nurses in the province sooner. So if you are aspiring nurses, you can be qualified for this pathway. So register with the Manitoba International Educated Nurses INS program. When you enroll in the Manitoba International Educated Nurses, or you will access a team of people who will create a plan with you to support you through all stages of becoming a nurse in Manitoba. So ayan guys, so there's so many support na makukuha nyo when you wanted to enroll to this International Educated Nurses. Just complete the intake form, and if you are internationally trained nurses or other care provider located outside of Canada, so they offer also for outside of Canada. So guys, calling all mga kababayans in the Philippines, nasaan man kayo, this is your chance kasi you may contact the IERHA careers at IERHE.ca. I-add ko po sa aking screen yung email address. They will connect you with someone to discuss next step for working with Interlake Eastern. So, guys, napakagandang offers po nila to. IERH also offers educational opportunities. So, Interlake Eastern, RHA has partnered with some education institution to bring healthcare training to communities across the region. So we also open for our education sessions for healthcare providers to public at cost. So if you have any questions about below training and education opportunities, if you have more questions, open po sila to contact. You may contact po yung kanilang recruitment and personnel and community engagement officer. So you may send them an email if you are outside Canada, or if you are in Manitoba or inside Canada. You can call them at 2204-340-5596. And also, there's an email address for outside Canada or inside Canada. It's either which one you prefer. You can email them at viamamagdan@ierha.ca. So, yan po. IERH support the facilities also in home care. So let's learn more about the positions in affiliated home care partners. So kaya available din po sa mga PSW, LPN, HCA, ang mga position na ito. So you may visit their partners. Number 1, yung healthcare delivery partners nila. These organizations manage personal care, home within Interlake Eastern RHA. They are all located in Manitoba. You may visit their respective website for job opportunities. So, ito po yung sa mga nursing home. So, number 1 po yung Bethel Personal Care Home Care, Bethel Personal Care Home Care, Extended Care with River Place, Tudor House Personal Care Home. I'm gonna add it in my screen for your view again po sa mga healthcare, sa mga nursing home na partners po ng IERHE. So, yan po guys, and one of the healthcare facilities na pwede kayong ma-hire, try nyo lang po. And aside from the Interlake Eastern Regional Health Authority, meron din pong hiring sa Prairie Mountain Healthcare. So, you also visit their website. I'm gonna add it in my description. So you can just look around kung ano po yung mag-fit sa inyong experiences na pwede yung applyan. They also open outside of Canada or international nurses or international healthcare careers for you guys. So, at saka isa pong magandang opportunity for us Filipino kasi they wanted to have a Filipino applicants as soon as possible. So you may visit the website to apply or send your resume to the email address of the HR manager. And if you can find what you're looking for, you may contact the recruitment and community engagement officer. Yung nabanggit ko kanina. So yung email address again, yung phone number is 204-340-5596 if you are in Manitoba, or if you're outside Manitoba or outside Canada, you can also email them at imagnan@ierhe.ca. So, 2 different emails po yan. So, yung kayo nabanggit ko, iba pong emails po yon. So, guys, hopefully, ma-visit nyo lahat ang websites na ito at ma-applyan nyo yung mga posibleng mag-fit sa inyong experiences, sa inyong career, sa inyong skills sa trabahong ito. This is open for outside Canada or inside Canada. So, yan guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.